Hi guys! So tonight at home I want you to practice some of our word study that we're going to be reviewing tomorrow. Tomorrow we are learning a new reading strategy to help us become better readers. To get ready for our new learning, let's practice some beginning sounds of words we already know. So on each slide, I want you to look at the picture, listen to what I'm saying, and then say the first sound of the word. We'll do the first one together. So I say dog, you say duh. D is for dog, and D sounds like duh. I say balloon, you say buh. I say cat, you say cuh. Good job, you guys. I say table, you say tuh. I say monkey, you say muh. I say sandwich, you say suh. All right, good job, you guys. I want you to review this a few more times before you come into class tomorrow.